We're ready to go to Crofer.
Crofer?
Hey guys, rainy Saturday like Monday. My husband has off today because he works Friday and he normally does not work Fridays, but they're making him, so he's taking today off. Got family teas. We got adjusted. It was badly needed. We went to a concert on Friday, Mountains in the Sea. Love that band. But even though I had like a strap-on seat for holding the little one, we held him the whole time and it's still, my neck was bad. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, you have a water. And yeah, rainy, so I got my hair strapped down and makeup free, worry free. I really hate putting makeup on my face. I've decided I'm gonna stop caring. Like, I don't know why my face decided to break out this year, but I hate putting makeup on and I hate wearing it. It doesn't feel great. And then every time I have to wash it off at the end of the day, I feel like I've wasted makeup. I don't know why. You got your egg, your tomato sando?
Yeah,
Egg salad sandwich!
Egg salad sandwich.
When they first brought these sandwiches to 7-Eleven in the US, like it had the same packaging as they do in Japan, and it was easy to open, but now it's like in the American style one, it's like harder to open.
Why do they do that? I miss the old
I
way.
know. It was perfect. Okay, I can't do this one yet.
I'll take it.
So now we're just on a mission for food. 6-year-old decided what she wanted. Now she's got it. She wanted a egg salad sandwich from 7-Eleven. I think we've decided on Five Guys.
This is exciting. And this is so good. Egg salad sandwich, yay.
Yeah. Now I wish I was wearing my 7-Eleven shirt.
You never bought that from 7-Eleven.
No, I bought it from Old Navy.
Then it's an Old Navy shirt.
Yeah, but it has 7-Eleven on it and new products, egg salad sandwich and onigiri, even though they don't have onigiri.
All right, yeah, go.
American
go.
ones.
Oh my god!
Go!
I flashed him, he just sat there.
I pictured it a different way.
Are you a fries?
Okay, fries.
And ketchup?
Hear
I
it.
hope the music isn't playing inside, so no copyright strikes. But yep, loud music.
Playing inside. Look, a drinking dispenser.
Yep. Those are the potatoes for the French fries.
Ew. I don't like potatoes.
Potato? That's what French fries are. It's potatoes that are cut up
I
and
like
fried,
potatoes that
sprinkled.
are mushed and sprinkled.
Yeah, there are many ways to eat potatoes. Hot. you're hungry?
Yeah.
That's why you should have eaten fries when you were there. Instead, you just ate ketchup and dipped fries in water.
And ate them.
Don't dip it in your water. No. That hole is for straw, not for fry. Just eat your fry.
I'm hungry.
Dude,
Ew!
Well, hey,
don't stick fingers in there.
I like to stick my fry in a Frosty.
Ew!
Yes. Whoa.
Ew.
That's very sweet and salty. So good.
No, ew.
Eat your fry.
Have you tried it?
Ew! No, ew!
Well, then how do you know it's ew if you've never tried it?
Ew!
Stop messing with that.
Why do you want that up?
Because I like it out of the way and I don't want to lean over and then like mess with my back like that.
No, that's why I was an inch short. My hip ripped out. Did you hear they had a fire at the HEB?
What?
The meat counter caught fire. There's electrical fire.
Oh my.
I never heard of that.
What's that?
Everybody has to evacuate.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Yes, get everybody safe, put the fire out.